Antonio Tower, southwest 683 is 11 miles northeast. Inbound visual, runway 21, approach. Southwest 683, San Antonio Tower, fly straight, runway 21, altimeter 298. Fly straight in, runway 21, southwest 683. Mall 878, contact ground on 121.9, southwest 1173, clear for takeoff, runway 21, surface with 165 at 10. Clear for takeoff, runway 21, southwest 1173.
Run range procedures.
Check. Clear on the approach.
Mall 878, southwest 683, cleared to land, runway 21. Cleared to land, runway 21. Southwest 683.
Ready to go.
Takeoff.
Check. Knots.
V1.
Rotate. Positive right.
Gear up.
Gear up. Gear up, lights out.
Southwest 1173, contact San Antonio departure on 118.05.
Select Command
Watch
A.
the pitch. Command A.
One 8.05 toward southwest 1173. Southwest 1173, San Antonio departure, roger, altimeter 298 or.
House 1.
Viper 2, Delta 8, turn right heading 310, send indicating 2,800. Turn right heading 310, descend and maintain 2,800. Viper 2, Delta 8.
Flaps up.
Flaps up.
After takeoff checklist.
Southwest
Stand by.
1173, turn right heading 350, indicating 2,000. Turn right heading 070, long 9 Charlie now.
Engine bleeds. On. Pass. Auto. Landing gear. Up and on. Flaps. Up no lights. After takeoff checklist. Complete.
Turn right heading 3505 and maintain south. Southwest 117. Long 4 Charlie Bravo. Turn right heading 110. Viper 2 Delta 8. Please expect descent to 2,800. Turn right heading 110. Small 4 Charlie Bravo. Southwest 1173. Traffic 1 o'clock 4 miles at 2,600. Small and 7. Report to the site. Southwest 1173. Traffic in sight.
1000 to go.
Takeoff, traffic 12 o'clock, 4 miles at 5,900.
Set altitude 9,000.
Hyperfly, takeoff, traffic 12 o'clock, 4 miles at
Select
1,000.
altitude and ravine.
9,000. Set
Southwest
altitude.
1173, climb to maintain flight level 220.
Set flight level 220.
1 miles at 10,000. Running Bravo, report to the site.
Select altitude and ravine.
Altitude intervenes.
Climb and maintain flight level 222, Southwest 1173.
Southwest 1173, contact Houston Center on 120.6.
120.6, Port Southwest 1173.
All 9 is Charlie Kilo, turn right heading 130. Turn right.
Number, contact Boston, approach at 119.0.
Passing 10,000, Cap.
Whiskey Tiger 5.
10,000.
Contact Boston, approach at 119.0. Lombard Gate.